Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Native English. In this video, I am going to tell you American English common 100 phrases for speaking English. Okay guys, if you like doing practice of speak American English, then watch this video till the end. So let's do practice and speak with me for practice. Okay guys, so if you're new on this channel, then subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started our video. Before going to start our video, first of all, I want to show you 100 phrases. Guys, there are 20 phrases and 40 and 60. And next 20 here 80 and 100. Okay guys, I have show you 100 words. So let's start doing practice. Okay. So guys, let's do practice. First sentence is here. Hello, how are you? This is very common sentence for everyone. Okay guys, so let's do practice with me. Hello, how are you? Second word, second phrase here. What's up? What's up? What's up? Third, how is it going? How is it going? Fourth, long time no see. Long time no see. Fifth, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Whenever you meet anyone, so you tell nice to meet you. How is it going today? How is your day going? How is day going? What do you do for living? What do you do for living? I am just chilling. I am just chilling. I am just chilling. That's cool. That's cool. No worries. No worries. Okay. I am good. Thanks. I am good. Thanks. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Okay. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I am feeling under the weather. I am feeling under the weather. Let's grab a bite to eat. Let's grab bite to eat. Let's grab bite to eat. Can I get your number? Can I get your number? Can I get your number? Take care. Take care. Take care. See you later. See you later. See you later. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now. Have a great day. Have a great day. Have a great day. So let's next practice here. Next sentence is here. 21 sentences. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. Let's be very easy. Okay. So it's a piece of cake. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road. I am all ears. I am all ears. It's the best of both worlds. It's the best of both worlds. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Actions speak louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. Wipe the wallet. Wipe the wallet. Wipe the wallet. Break the leg. Wake the leg. Wake the leg. Wake the leg. It's a small word. It's a small word. It's a small word. Better late than never. Better late than never. Better late than never. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Speak with me or do practice more and more. Okay. Hit the hay. Hit the hay. Hit the hay. Won the midnight oil. Won the midnight oil. The wall is in your coat. The wall is in your coat. The wall is in your coat. The early word catches the wall. The early word catches the wall. Give it a suit. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling. All ears. All ears. All ears. Next sentence is here. 41. Start with 41. So let's do practice. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Walking up the wrong tree. Walking up the wrong tree. Walking up the wrong tree. Okay. Weed around the bush. Weed around the bush. Weed around the bush. Went over backward. Went over backward. Went over backward. What of more than can you see? What of more than you can see? Okay. Break the ice. Break the ice. Break the ice. Break the ice. You understand American pronunciation skills. Okay. So let's try to speak in American pronunciation. Okay. So call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. Cold feet. Cold feet. Cold feet. Cut to the chest. Cut it to the chest. Cut it to the chest. Devil's advocate. Devil's advocate. Devil's advocate. Devil's advocate. Don't count your changes before. Don't count changes before. Don't count changes before. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't put your all eggs in one big basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Okay? Down to earth. Down to earth. Down to earth. Easy does it. Easy does it. Easy does it. Easy does it. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. Feel under the weather. Feel under the weather. Feel under the weather. Go to the extra mile. Go to the extra mile. Go to the extra mile. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. Hit the sack. In the blink of an eye. Of the blink of an eye. Okay, guys? We have done 60 sentences practices here. There are American sentence conjugations pages. So let's do next sentences. So next sentences here you can see. So start with 61 number. So it's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. I tell you already. It's a piece of cake means very easy. Okay, it's a piece of cake. Jump on, bend down. Jump on the bend down. Bend down. Okay. Keep on eyes on the ball. Keep on eyes on the ball. Keep on eyes on the ball. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Let's get out of the bag. Let's get out. Let's the cat out of the bag. Let's get out of the bag. Okay. Make a long story short. 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 Okay. Miss the boat. Miss the boat. Miss the boat. Let's do practice with me and speak with me. Okay. So let's miss the boat. Miss the boat. Not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. On the wall. On the wall. On the wall. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. out of the value, out of the value, over the moon, over the moon, over the moon, over the moon, piece of cake, piece of cake, piece of cake, pull someone's leg, pull someone's leg, pull someone's leg, quick and dirty, quick and dirty, quick and dirty, rain on someone's parade, rain on someone's parade, rain on someone's parade, parade, rip, rip off the band-aid, rip on the band-aid, rip off the band-aid, rule of thumb, rule of thumb, rule of thumb, speak of the devil, speak of the devil, speak of the devil, the whole 9 yards, the whole 9 yards, the whole 9 yards, throw in the towel, throw in the towel, throw in the towel, okay, throw in the towel. Let's do next practice sentences here. Start with a table number. So, turn a wild eye, turn a blind eye, turn a blind eye, under the weather, under the weather, up in the air, up in the air, up in the air, bare pigs fly, bare pigs fly, bare pigs fly, X marks the spot, X marks the spot, X marks the spot. You can't judge a book it's by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover. Okay. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess as mine. Your guess as good as mine. Your guess as good as mine. Okay. 0 to 60. 0 to 60. 0 to 60. A penny for your thoughts, a penny for your thoughts, a penny for your thoughts. Backseat driver, backseat driver, backseat driver. Walls in your coat, walls in your coat, walls in your coat. One bridges, one bridges, one bridges. Cry over spilled milk. Cry over spilled milk. Cry over spilled milk. Drive someone up the wall. Drive someone up the wall. Drive someone up the wall. Every dog has its day. 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 Feather in your cap. Feather in your cap. Feather in your cap. Feather in your cap. Give someone the cold soda. Give someone the cold soda. Give someone the cold soda. Hit the nail on the head. 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 Jump the gun. Jump the gun. Jump the gun. Jump the gun. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. It's the last sentence is keep your chin up. Okay, guys. I hope you guys do practice more and more American sentences. I have covered 100 American phrases for conjugation, daily usage sentences here. So I hope you understand, and if you like the information, then like, share the video, and also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So if you have any kind of doubt related to these points, to these phrases, please write in the comment box, and see you in my next video very soon.